Hey guys, good morning. So let me show you what I'm getting ready to do before work. So I'm going to try to get in all of the lily bulbs this morning. These, I did look it up. It is the Magic Star Double Lily. And so I want to get those in the ground because they're just kind of out and about. They're already sprouting and I want them to bloom. So I'm going to put these, I'm torn because part of me wants to put them in the promenade garden, but then the other part of me wants to put in the middle section garden. The thing is, I'm anticipating that when it comes to the flower show afterwards, we members are going to get a giveaway. So I'm thinking I might just save them to put them in and put them in the middle garden, which is right outside the door. So I have 17, so I'll put, I guess, 9 in one, 8 in each other. They'll come up, it'll look nice and full this year, and of course every year they get bigger. And if I want to separate them at that point, then I'll go from there. And then, you know what, I also have some small chrysanthemums I need to get in the ground. I'm just trying to think where I'm going to put those. I think I'm going to put those somewhere around the middle garden because I have, let's see, I've got 8 of each. So 4 of the yellow I'm going to put in my the memorial garden for my one grandmother. And then the other 2, I guess I'll just put in, I'm just trying to think, where do I need some more yellow? I might put 2 down here. And then with the marrow, which is like pink and red bicolor, I'm just gonna spread those all about because I have 72 still coming from Harmony Harvest, and I'm gonna do the promenade beds with those. So let's see how much I can get this done. I'm not going to set up the camera. It takes too much time. Also, I do need to get the peony roots in the ground. So we're just going to see how much I get done of this by the time I have to start work. So I will come back and tell you how I succeeded. Okay guys, here it is. I got all the fencing up, all the chicken wire up for the vegetable garden. I have to paint those 2 posts. I didn't get that done before because it was nightfall and I just wanted to get it done, but everything is up. Let me just go back to normal. There we go. And the dog is enjoying it because I typically don't ever let him off leash. So this is the first time he's in a spot. So let me walk over and show you this. There is flare of the chicken coop. I mean the chicken, the poultry netting. So I'm gonna tack that down with some landscape staples, and I'm probably gonna put like a gravel border, not a gravel, a stone, do some stone edging on top of that to hold it down. So yeah. So this right here, I ran out of this right here, but that's fine because I'm gonna get 4-foot wide poultry netting and take it up and over to make a trellis. So that's just temporary, just to make sure that the dog doesn't get out. So yeah. So anyway, put a fence on here. A gate on here. Let's see, I did a gate there and a gate there, and that's a double gate. Now, I did apply to, I'm going to be taking this vegetable garden further, and I have a permit to continue the fencing down that way, and so that's going to be the doorway into it. So I just have a gate there for right now, but once, I can expand, I can just, open it. I don't have to like cut the netting and that sort of thing. So anyway, that's it. So I'm outside right now because I lost power. We had an electric storm, so now that it stopped lightning, I'm going to take the dog for a walk and then go to my office so that I can, have power and do some work. Bumpy, come on, baby. We're going to go inside now. Yeah, we're going to go inside. Okay, come on. I think he's just like, I'm good out here, Mom. Thanks. Good morning, guys. So I am going to be doing a small project before work. I need to weed the flower bed, the hedge flower bed. So I'm actually going to set up the camera because I'm going to do a time lapse. I haven't done one of these in a while. Bumpy, I'll be right back. I'm gonna come get you in a second. And because it's looking really bad. I really need to remulch that entire area. That sort of thing. But that'll have to get done at a different point. But for right now, I'm just gonna pull the weeds out. A lot of the weeds out. I'm a little upset because I ripped a hole in my foxgloves. As a matter of fact, it's like the one hand. And I'm a little bummed about that because I'm going to have to get another pair. But, you know, it does happen. So let me show you what I'm tackling this morning. Okay, guys, here we are. So y'all, it is looking a hot mess right now. So I'm gonna go get the dog. I'm just gonna set up the thing. Actually, I'm gonna go get a trash can because I need one of those. But yeah, ouch. I think these are the quick fire hydrangeas. They're starting to come up and flower, as you can see. I guess they'll start turning colors. I think I'm gonna pull all the rhododendrons. They're not doing well. And so yeah, so I just want to get as much of this area cleaned up before work. And I gotta get these branches out of the way too. Ugh. So the green section though is looking really nice. Take a minute to appreciate. The green with white accents. Foxglove is way too tall. Oh, you know what? The chrysanthemums that I planted, that's looking good. So I have to remember to come in here and like stick my head down. But yeah, seems like everything's doing well in spite of my neglect. Look at those little Shasta daisies all falling over. So yeah, so it's cool right now. I'm gonna try to get some stuff done before it gets hot. There are branches and stuff here. I'm gonna have to take them to get them out. But yeah, I just gotta get rid of all that mess up there. Okay guys, so I'm sure you guys could see all that I pulled out. I have the other front section to do on the other side of the walkway. It's hard to film over there, so I'm not going to film it, but I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like after I'm done. I'm trying to get this all done within the next 15 minutes. The other side is not as bad, so I should be able to do it. Okay guys, so this is what this side looks like. Lots of grass and that sort of thing. So I'll be able to get it out though. And you know what, maybe I need to get some preen once I finish weeding it. So oops, sorry guys. So anyway, maybe I need to get some preen to do this once I finish weeding it. So that's it guys, gotta go inside now. Okay guys, good morning. So I wanted to show you the front hedge. I weeded that side and I weeded this side. So everything is looking pretty good. I need to tack that down. But let me show you what else I got.